things aren't meant to be fair. I know